My best-selling woodworking project are black walnut spatulas, and I have a video on how to make them. But not everybody has black walnut just laying around their shop. So today we're gonna be making a spatula out of firewood. I don't really know what kind of wood all these pieces are, but most of them are oak and most of them are elm, so we're just gonna pick one and go with it. And I'm liking the look of this piece right here. That looks really good right there. But basically I just picked the flattest one I could find. But now let's go ahead and sand it down with the belt sander to get it flat and smooth. I think this belt's had it. Good nut. And it went from looking like this to this. I used to not be able to do that. Now with the bandsaw, I'm gonna resaw it to about 3 or 4 inches. I cut this down with the bandsaw to about 3 inches, so now we're gonna go and flatten it with the belt sander. Now we can trace out the basic shape. Now we can cut this out on the bandsaw. But to cut this out, we gotta get a new bandsaw blade. So onto Amazon we go. I'm pretty sure George Strait wrote a song about Amazon. I think it's called Amazon by Morning. I accidentally left my microphone in the house, so it looks like you're gonna be listening to my mom cook for the rest of the video. Just kidding, we're voicing this thing over, baby. We'll round all the corners with the belt sander. Then we'll give it a massage by hand with some 150 and then 600. We'll wipe it with a damp paper towel, and by doing this, it will rise the grain, and then you can sand it again, and they'll make it very smooth. Now that it's dry, we'll sand it again. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video inspired you to make something out of your firewood. This was about to be burned, like literally. I can sell these for $10 all day long and I have no problem with it. If you want to check out how I make my black walnut spatulas more in depth, click right over here. If you want to see my woodworking playlist, which has 100 videos on it, click right here. Thank you for watching and God bless.